In a small village lived a young girl named Meena. Her dream was to one day create a beautiful garden. She collected tiny seeds, planted them in the soil, and watered them with care. But when no plant appeared after a few days, she would become disappointed. One day, she planted pea seeds. Within just 5 days, little green shoots broke through the soil. Meena was happy. But on the other hand, she had also planted bamboo seeds. Days passed, months passed, even years passed, yet nothing came out of the ground. Frustrated, she asked an old gardener, "Uncle, has my bamboo died?" The gardener smiled and said, "No, my child. The bamboo seed spends its first few years growing roots deep underground. What you cannot see right now is actually the most important part." Meena was surprised. "You mean the plant is growing, even though I can't see it?" The gardener replied, "Yes. When the time comes, this bamboo will shoot up towards the sky in just a few months. But it will gain that strength from the patience of the day." From that day, Meena stopped losing hope. She continued watering, clearing weeds, and caring for the soil. And then one day, something magical happened. A thin bamboo shoot pierced through the earth. Week after week, it kept growing. 1 foot, 2 feet, 10 feet. Within a few months, the bamboo towered high into the sky. Meena cried with joy, and then she realized dreams don't come true in a hurry. First, your roots must grow strong. Just as bamboo remains hidden underground for years, so too our efforts often go unseen at first. But if you stay patient and keep trying every day, then one day your success will rise as tall as the bamboo. Dear friends, remember this. Success is not always visible at the beginning. Often it grows silently beneath the surface. So, keep nurturing your dreams, because today's effort will create tomorrow's height.